In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello sales pipeline for service and B2B workflows. We'll start by laying out a clean pipeline that mirrors how opportunities move from first touch to final outcome. Open Trello and create a new board. Give it a clear name so your team can find it quickly. Then build your workflow with custom lists. Begin with a resources list at the far left. This is your home base for reusable items like email templates, pricing overviews, and links you reference often. Next comes New Lead, where every incoming inquiry should land so nothing slips through the cracks. After that, add Contacted to track leads you've reached out to and are waiting to hear back from. The Discovery Call or Proposal list is for opportunities that need a deeper conversation, scoping, or a formal quote. Finally, add Closed Won to celebrate successful deals and Closed Lost to record the ones that didn't move forward. Keeping those closed lost cards is valuable for future retargeting and insights about what to improve. With your structure in place, it's time to configure client cards. Click. Add a card in the first relevant list to create a profile for each client or deal. Use the company or client name as the card title so it's easy to search. In the description, add key details like contact information, industry, and budget, plus any notes that help you tailor communication. Build a standardized checklist that you can reuse across cards. Items like send agreement, schedule onboarding, or confirm scope. This keeps your process consistent and reduces the chance of missing a step when things get busy. Attach any important files directly to the card, project briefs, signed agreements, or invoices, so your team has a single source of truth without digging through folders or emails. To keep everything prioritized and on schedule, use labels and due dates. Color-coded labels are great for categorizing lead sources, such as referral, website, or ad, or for signaling priority like hot, warm, or cold. Keep the system simple and consistent so everyone interprets colors the same way. Add due dates for follow-ups, proposals, or onboarding milestones. That way, cards resurface right when you need to take action, and you can quickly sort by what's coming up next. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.